Good day, CNC warriors. Welcome to Iscar Plus in Auckland, New Zealand. And you know what we say here, in no time for downtime. Setup times are an area that is massively overlooked when it comes to machining. So today, I'm going to remind you of a very unique system that will eliminate setup time for you guys. So let's take a closer look. When your machine is not running, you're not making any money. And a large part of that downtime comes from setups. And the new progressive companies in our industry is always looking for unique and new technologies to implement to bring that time down. So today, let's have a look at Camfix from Iscar, which is a very unique system designed to eliminate setup times. This simple setup right here will eliminate setup times when it comes to your lathes and your live tooling machines. It's basically a polygonal quick change system that is modular. It is also highly rigid and repeatable. Look how easy it is. And that's all it takes. Like I mentioned, this is a modular system.
Oh, yeah.
So there is so many different heads available like these. Let me show you a few of them now. The biggest benefit comes from when swapping from one head to the other. Say you were running this for your roughing, but now you want to change the station to say threading. So what do you normally do in your lathe? You have to pull your tool holder out, got to clean it all up, find the next one, put that in there, and then set your X and Z. With Camfix, you don't really have to do any of that.
Amazing.
What do you do? Pull this out, put the next one in, done. You're ready to rock and roll. And the big benefit that comes, if you had this tool set previously in your machine, you can pull that offsets back and it will be in the exact same position each time. Camfix is not just exclusive for external turning. With boring bars like these, you can actually use them for all your internal boring work as well. All you have to do is turn it this way. Okay, so let's have a look at Camfix on the machine behind us. If you want to be more competitive and get more work through your machine per day, take a look at our Camfix. And don't you worry if you got an older machine, because these blocks are easily adapted into your bolt-mounted turrets. So remember what we say here, you got no time for downtime by killing that setup time. So until next time, that's goodbye.